Let's forget about Las Vegas. Forget about all the neon signs. Forget about the casino. Forget about everything. Forget about the London Bridge. Let's go visit the park, the best community park. Let's go. This is my community park, the best one. This is called Confederation Park. Let's go check this place out a little bit. Yeah, you can see here is the Canada map. This is so much bigger than Europe. I am right here, down here, the second province. So they have a lot of benches like this one here, like these. There's a lot of benches, and you can see that is so beautiful. Especially the weather today is like no cloud at all. And here's another open area in front of us, and it's a little river. Whenever I'm upset, I come here and visit the animals, chipmunk, squirrels, goose, anything. Any animals can make me feel a lot better. So this park also is a circle shape, so wherever you walk, you're just walking a circle. So let's say I park at the back side, so it doesn't matter how long I walk, I'm always within one circle distance from my car. So if you want an open space, you can see there's a lot of open space too, right? With no trees. I love this place. See, these are super huge trees right there. So this is the park I come here all the time when the weather is good, because this is not only close to my house, and it's also, the best thing is that this is circle, and I'm gonna show you. You see that? That right there is the washroom. There's not too many parks that has a washroom, and that is the washroom right there, and it's clean. And then right there is the baseball field. I actually love going to the park, but I feel like making a video out of it may be very boring to everybody. But anyway, you know what? Just do it. I don't care. But this is the baseball field. As you can see, they have some people, they can sit on there and on there as well. And this is pretty open area. I love this space so much. And in the autumn, in the fall times, all the trees will become yellow and red. That would be so beautiful. It is so good walking in the park. Do you guys like walking in the park? I usually come here alone because nobody really do this kind of thing with me. So that's why. You see? So this is the parking lot. We're actually just going circle right now. And the park also has a little river. Oh, you see the goose? Hold on, did you see the goose? You see that? I love animals. Oh, there it is. I love that. Ah, there it is. You see that? This is also the area that the kids can play. A little playground. So this park is not a huge one, but it has everything. It has everything. And there's a lot of benches, some places for biking, some playground for kids. That looks awesome. Isn't it awesome? That's my favorite community park, and it's probably the best one. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my god. I love this. Ding ding ding. Someone's here. Wow, you see that? It looks like a dream, is it? There's a little bit shade, a little bit tree, but not too much. So you can still see the open sky up there. Right? When it's a little bit later in the afternoon, when it is like in the evening, that is even better. How's that? How do you like this video? I don't know, let me know, because sometimes when I do like a travel adventure, I love going to big cities to see all the lights, all the cities. But once in a while, I also do like natures like this. But I'm not a big fan of hiking, so if it's like going to the mountain, then probably that's not for me. There's so many foam right there. I don't know why. This is definitely a heaven. So if you love this video, remember to like it. Let me know if you like videos like this. See that? I love places like this, really. Also, let me know if you like if I'm like outside and do some podcasts, like just talking, you know, like talking together. I love that too, actually. Sometimes I just want to do the video without too much planning, you know, like just go with the flow wherever I want to go. Just take the camera with me so we can talk things over about different things as well. I try to, I don't know, I am still kind of shy taking the action phone with me when I go out there sometimes. So I feel like filming with the phone is a little bit more comfortable, and especially the vertical videos, it's just less awkward for some reason. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, I got this London links for myself, and this one is the Paris Las Vegas. Can you see that? No? You can see that, this one here, $100. But this one doesn't worth $100. This one is only a couple dollars as a souvenir. Let's take a moment to be quiet and listen to the nature, okay?